Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. I wanted to make a quick juice today in the Hurom H320, and today I'm basically making a simple juice that is good for being anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and heart healthy. Just a lovely juice. It has a lot of benefits. I will be sure to put that in the description as well. I'm going to be using some romaine lettuce. I'm going to be using some mint. I'm going to use some green apple. I'm going to use some cucumber. I'm going to use some Fuji apple. And I'm going to use some lime. You can also use a dash of salt in this recipe as well. And I will be sure to put all the tips and the information in the description as always. Okay, so I'm going to take the romaine lettuce. I'm going to take the mint and put it in. I'm going to put in the lime and the apple. Okay, so we have a little bit left. And I am going to juice this up first, and then we're going to juice up the rest. Okay, so I'm going to let some of it out. Okay, and now I'm going to put the rest in. So we are going to finish juicing this, and then we are going to try some of it. One thing I noticed about this juicer is that it juices really quick and it gets everything. I have to say that I've noticed that. I think this is about 20 ounces. We shall see. Okay, so this came to 25 ounces, and as always I will put the recipe in the description so you will know exactly how much I use in the Hurom H320. So we are going to try some of this, and then the rest I will bottle up, and I already put the salt in it as well. And so let's try it. Our lovely juice with apples and mint and romaine lettuce and cucumber. Okay. And so we are going to try our lovely juice. Oh, and lime and salt. And remember, it's anti-inflammatory. It's good for your heart. It's good for a lot of things. Anti-cancer. All right, so let's try it. This is really good. This is so, oh my God. This is really good. And I put a dash of salt. Okay. Whenever I give it my standout juices in my videos in Montauk Avenue, I say it's a standout juice. This is a standout juice, okay? So this is a standout juice. This is good. Oh my goodness. One of Montauk Avenue star juices. This is so good. Please try this. And I mean, so far, the Hurom H320, this is a bad juice, okay? Consider the Hurom H320. This juice is so good. This is so good. And I left the skin on the lime too. Oh my God. This juice is so good. Be sure to check out my other juicing videos and be on the lookout for plenty of other juicing recipes. And I want you to check out the next video where I will share what I do with the pulp of the juice. And be sure to check out that video as well. And as always, I want you to continue to be true to yourself. Be well. Peace, Divine.